This is the second day of the Shifts Happen To weekend, and I just want to see what is the energy like. Please show me one pop-out card. What is the energy like of the weekend for me? What is the main energy? The High Priestess, which makes absolute sense for me. What I've been feeling is that there's this energy from the universe that is speaking through the astrologers, through anybody that is working with astrology. As Steve Judd always says, she is speaking through me. And I feel that this is all present. Doesn't matter who is speaking. It is this divine energy, this divine knowledge that is coming through whoever is speaking and who's reading the astrology chart and interpreting that. And the one main thing that everybody has said so far is about compassion and about sharing that information with love, and not just saying, this is what the planets are saying, really interpreting with that divine intervention and that astrology is speaking through you, and to have that love and compassion for your clients.